Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Talbots credit card online. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to get started. Into the URL box at the top, type in c.comenity.net/talbots. Press enter on your keyboard, and once you end up in this page, click on the sign in button at the top of the screen. You'll need to enter your credentials for your Talbots credit card. If you don't have an online access yet for your credit cards, click on the register now link and follow through the on-screen prompts in order to register your credit card first. Once you have an account, you can type in your username in the first text box followed by the password and click on the sign in button in order to get access to your Talbots credit card online. In case you don't remember your credentials, you can click on this forgot username/password link and follow the on-screen prompts in order to look for your credentials. After filling in all of the details, click the sign in button to get access to your Talbots credit card online. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.